Hi, today I'm going to teach you how you can set up a Facebook share pop-up on thank you for your order page inside of AiTrillion. This pop-up basically means that once a customer has placed an order, they can share the order confirmation, the thank you for your order confirmation on Facebook, and they can get points or a reward for doing so. The first step to this pop-up is to go to your loyalty reward section inside of AiTrillion. Go to activity rules, and then inside the activity rules section, you have to enable the Facebook share on thank you pop-up. Once you've enabled this pop-up, click on the edit rule section and then choose what type of reward you want to give to your customers for sharing the thank you for the order page. So you want to give either points or a discount value or a free product. So let's say you want to give them 125 points. You have the display notification confirming that they got the points. So the customer, when they share on Facebook, they will get this display confirmation. You can edit the message, but do not change anything in the parentheses or the curly brackets because these are shortcodes bringing in data from elsewhere. You have the rule heading, the panel text, the pop-up banner image, and then you have the script that you need to use. This is a very important. So all you have to do is copy the script. It says copied, and then either save or update the point-based settings. So this message is because it's a test store, but you would probably not see that. Now, once you've saved it and the rule is enabled, you then need to go to Shopify, click on settings. Then need to go to Shopify. In Shopify, you need to click on the settings option. In the settings option, go to checkout. And in checkout, you will see additional scripts under order processing. So just paste this there and then save your data on Shopify. As soon as you save the data on Shopify, what will happen is once the customer places the order, they will see a pop-up come onto the thank you page, the order confirmation page, from where they can share their data on Facebook, and the customer can basically get the reward in terms of points or discounts, whatever they have selected and whatever you have selected for them. That's how you set up a thank you pop-up for Facebook on the thank you page. If you need further support or help, you can email support@aitrillion.com, or else you can even live chat with us from www.aitrillion.com. Thank you for watching this video today and have a great day ahead.